Myntra Beauty fam, welcome back to Myntra's YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through my simple 4-step hair wash routine which I follow dedicatedly, and this hair wash routine always leaves my hair smooth and manageable. The products I'm going to be using today are effective and affordable. You can find these products on Myntra. Yes, Myntra has a separate beauty section where you can find your favorite beauty and skincare products. They also have a feature called Hair Analyzer where you will get personalized recommendations according to your hair type and hair concerns. So please keep on watching because this video is going to be very helpful. So the first step is hair growth serum, and this is the most important step according to me. Hair wash करने के एक दिन पहले रात को मैं hair growth serum apply करती हूँ, and currently I'm using minimalist hair growth actives 18% hair serum. I just apply few drops on my scalp directly and I use my fingertips to massage my scalp gently, and मैं 4 to 5 minutes तक massage करती हूँ and then I keep it for overnight. And this serum is very effective. This has a potent combination of peptides and extracts for fuller and thicker hair. It helps to reduce hair fall and boost hair growth. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution, then this serum is really amazing. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out. Next step is of course shampoo. I wash my hair next morning, but usse pehle I really want to share a quick pro tip. I take a big tooth comb and I brush my hair thoroughly and remove tangles. इससे आप जब hair wash करते हो तब आपका hair fall कम होता है. So the shampoo I have today is Argan Oil Shampoo by Herbal Essence. It's made up of 90% naturally derived ingredients. ये frizz को and hair damage को repair करने में help करता है, and also it makes my hair so smooth and manageable, and इसका smell तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. Before applying the shampoo, I wet my hair completely and big coin size amount में shampoo लेती हूँ and इसे थोड़ा सा पानी के साथ mix कर लेती हूँ अच्छे से. Then I apply it on my scalp and massage it very gently in circular motion for about 4 to 5 minutes. And also do not apply shampoo hair length पे, इससे hair काफी ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है. Well, I learned it from professionals and it really changed my hair care game. मसाज करने के बाद ल्यूकवार्म वाटर से अच्छे से हेयर वॉश कर लेती हूँ. मेक श्योर कि कोई शैम्पू रेजिड्यू ना रहे. Now the third and my favorite step is a hair mask, and I'm currently in love with Plum Avocado hair mask. If you have super frizzy hair na, you gotta try this. It's amazing. You will notice difference after one use only. Link चाहिए ना? I know. Description box पे आपको इसका link मिल जाएगा by the way. First I squeeze excess water from my hair and then I take a towel and pat dry my hair gently. I scoop out the mask and apply it from root to end. And I make sure कि मेरा हर एक hair strand पे ये mask अच्छी तरह से apply हो. Once I'm done, I make a bun and I cover my hair with a shower cap and I keep it for at least 15 to 20 minutes. I know it's a long duration, but जितना देर तक रखोगे ना आप इस mask को, उतना ही आपके hair के लिए अच्छा है. So after 20 minutes, I remove the shower cap and I wash my hair thoroughly with cold water. Yes, cold water helps to retain moisture in hair strands. Then I again squeeze the excess water and take a towel and pat dry. I do not rub my hair. If you are doing this, then stop doing it because ये काफी damage करता है आपके hair को. इससे hair breakage होता है and hair काफी frizzy हो जाता है. So always follow this squeezing motion and pat dry your hair. Now the last and the final step is a hair smoothening serum, and my favorite is L'Oreal Extraordinary Hair Serum. I have been using this for past 2 years and I don't think I'm gonna leave it anytime soon because I love this serum so much. This serum makes my hair super manageable. I just take 2 to 3 pumps and दोनों हाथों पे रब करके अप्लाई कर लेती हूँ hair length पे. गीले बालों पे लगाने से ये और भी ज़्यादा effective होता है. And yeah, that's pretty much it. My simple and easy to follow hair wash routine for smooth and manageable hair. जितना भी products मैंने use किया है ना, वो सबका link आपको description box पे मिल जाएगा. Do check them out. I hope you guys had fun watching this video, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Myntra's YouTube channel for more fun beauty content. Bye.